गया क्या?
और अब कांग्रेस सांसद राहुल गांधी को सुनेंगे। दरअसल राहुल गांधी कोरोना संक्रमण पर कांग्रेस की तरफ से अपनी बात रख रहे हैं। सुनेंगे क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी।
On what went wrong? It is pretty clear that the third wave is coming. And I would even go so far to say that you might even have waves after the third wave, because this virus is continuously mutating and changing form, as I said in my last press conference, and as I've been saying from the beginning. So it is important that the government prepares itself for what is going to come. What does it mean to prepare itself? It means have the infrastructure ready, which was not ready in the first and second wave. It means have the oxygen supply that will be required ready. It means have the medicines required ready. The central pillar of fighting COVID is vaccination. And I will have comments to make when you ask me questions on vaccination strategy, but it is very important that we aggressively do vaccinations and cross this bridge of 100% vaccination as soon as possible, because that is the only protection. So I now welcome your questions.
Thank you, sir. Before we take questions, sir, we will also like to know from you, maybe hear from you, sir, very briefly, as to where lies the future, sir, and what steps really the government of India take to ameliorate the existing pain. And then, sir, we'll take questions.
We've had this white paper is a discussion that has taken place within the Congress structure. And we've had discussions with the experts, and we have basically developed 4 pillars. One pillar, of course, is the idea of understanding exactly what went wrong, which is the foundation of the white paper. And our suggestion there is to have a commission that looks into some of the shortcomings so we can correct them. Second pillar, as I've already said, is preparation for the third wave, which includes developing the critical infrastructure, which includes oxygen, which includes these other elements. Third pillar, again, that we've been repeating again and again and again, is the idea of an economic assistance package. COVID is not just a biological phenomenon. It is also an economic and social phenomenon. And that is why we have to make sure that the poorest people, the weakest people, small and medium businesses are provided the support that they need to get through. And the fourth and final element is a COVID compensation fund, where we give money to people who have lost loved ones, where we commit to them support of the Indian nation and say that, look, we stand with you in this difficult time. Randeep ji, मैं हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ. व्हाइट पेपर का लक्ष्य एक प्रकार से रास्ता दिखाने का है. हमने 4 मेन पॉइंट्स निकाले हैं. पहला पॉइंट जो मैंने बोला, जो तीसरी वेव आने वाली है उसकी तैयारी.